Today's another beautiful day in Lake Havasu. It is Teri and I's anniversary, and we're gonna go for a walk. Well, not really a walk, but a ride on that cool little yellow buggy. I've already driven it a little bit, but Miss Teri's gonna drive it, and she is over here with Jay, all bundled up. She's got her big jacket on because it might get a little cold in her water. So anyways, this is Miss Aja's new rig. I'm sure you've already seen it. I said it should be called Bumblebee. This has that cool little face. Now this one has doors. Have you see how you get the door?
I don't have a face mask, so I got my hair bandana with my elephants on it.
And I have nothing. So
keep the dust out.
The red handle up front, push it down. There you go.
Jimmy Christmas, I've never driven one of these. I've driven the Razor. Okay, my water.
It has a little spot back here for water.
Oh, my hips don't move like that anymore. Okay. We'll wait.
Might as well put that in ignition. It'll only go in one way. Does it go all the way in? Yep.
Okay. This I'm gonna have to fix because little Miss Skinny Aja was in here.
Let's see. It was kind of easy. So yep, you're okay there. It's going to be the
the seats really sit back in this thing.
Well, you want to do the bottom one, so that's what we have to figure out there.
Okay.
Will that pull together?
Yeah, I just hit a little bit.
Okay.
You want to be snug in these things, though. Which way does this one go?
You put it like that. That part goes right through. Oh, right there.
Okay.
You're locked.
Okay. And then this one up here?
Yep. Which is kind. Yep. Oh.
Is this kind of?
It's kind of non-stock. Something broke, I think. So that was what came with it.
Okay.
Ooh. Well, but that'll leave you good room to go back and forth. Okay. So, you were prepared. So you turn the ignition all the way to the...
Yeah, there's brake in, right?
You should hold on to the brake, yep.
Brake.
Yep. Turn it all the way, no, yep. And it's, nope, it doesn't have you have a push button. Look how cool that is. And for this one to turn the lights on, you turn that key switch back one, and then we'll have the lights on.
One?
Yep. Yep.
Okay.
Now the lights are on.
All right.
Okay, my turn to get in.
I feel like I'm way sitting back, right?
I think on this
yeah,
model, I think the seat does go forward.
It does. Can you come over and pull it forward
Sure.
just a little bit for me?
Let me set this down. GoPro, stop recording.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
So this is where you can walk out and go out to the water. It's kind of a inlet.
Havasu National Wildlife Refuge protects more than 40% of the remaining backwaters and some 300 miles of shoreline along the lower Colorado River. Refuge habitats range from the high desert to green riversides, freshwater lakes and wetlands, and the river itself, as it has for thousands of years. The mighty Colorado River continues to serve as a lifeline for people and wildlife throughout the region. A bird's eye view. From a migratory bird's perspective, our American landscape looks increasingly dangerous. Just look, a wilderness of paved parking lots and sprawling rooftops, airports and intersections, farms and fenced backyards, and communication towers. National Wildlife Refuge offers millions of high-flying, long-distance travelers a welcome oasis in a crowded world. Pack it in, pack it out. Please pack out all trash. No fires, no camping, no 4x4s, no ATVs. Must have your pet on a leash. And absolutely no alcohol. Okay, so they call this Castle Rock. It's pretty cool. When you come around, and voila, Lake Havasu. Very pretty. Ooh, it's pretty cold.
The lady at the state park told me it was 59 degrees, and that was 3 days ago. So I'm sure it's still cold. It's pretty though.
Beautiful out here.
Ooh.
Glad you guys could come with us down here. Really pretty. Somebody asked on a comment, sorry I can't remember the name, if we have to worry about snakes. Not so much this time of year. They could be out sunning themselves, but I think it's way too cold for them to do that. They're hibernating. So I'm not too worried about the snakes this time of year. Not like I am in the spring and summer. But I think you still have to be very cautious.
We've been very lucky just to see been close to non-venomous. We've seen the other ones out in the water, but not here, but out in the East Coast water.
Yeah.
Copperheads and stuff.
Ooh. All right, guys, we're gonna get back on the Can-Am and head back.
I wonder where the camp post is now. Sal even crawled all the way up that cliff there.
That's right. I remember you brought Sal up here.
Yeah.
Huh. Somebody was making some kind of a barrier there. Wow.
You have good tinnies on. You can stick to go up that enough, and I'll support you coming down.
No.
There's not much there.
You want to climb up that?
I'll show them. There's really not much there. But
you've got better traction. All right, guys.
I already climbed it once.
Be careful.
I know. It's the coming down part that gets you. So anyways, see,
Cool.
kind of a cool little place to, obviously somebody's built a fire there, and hey, I was here earlier this year with Sal of S&S and RV Cat.
All right, the GoPro just died. I got the phone. We'll walk up around here a little bit. Woo! Loose rock. Oh, just some more little areas. It's very, very loose rock though. Yeah. I don't think I'm going to try to walk up and around there. Scotty showed you what the cave looked like. This is like round, crushed rock that just rolls right under your feet. And even though I've got good shoes on today, it still rolls under there. This is so nice to see green. Look at those, are really pretty. I know it's a weed of some sort, but I don't know if that's a weed. It probably has flowers on it.
It's definitely a lush year for all the plants.
Yeah, it certainly
I
is.
haven't seen a turtle though.
Nope, I haven't either. This is pretty. Big white granite in there. It's really pretty. Cool. All right, everybody, we're tired. Oh,
Running out of daylight now.
yeah, and that road really.
Up there, you can see the lake.
Yeah, that road really took it out of us. That was a bumpy ride. We couldn't even film half of it because it was so bumpy. All right. Well, that's the first time I've been this far up in Craigie, so it was kind of fun. But it's definitely time to get back. Scotty's driving now. I've had enough driving. My bones have been shook. Time to get back.
I do like being all buckled in.
and we've got a friend that's on her way here, so we need to get back to camp and get some dinner going. I don't know. What are we doing? Are we having dinner at home, or are we gonna go out for? We might go out for our anniversary. We haven't decided yet. Sue's making a big pot of chili, so we're not sure. I don't know.
We never know.
What we want to do. All right. We'll see you guys back at camp.